Men are frequently unintentional actors in the great theater of existence, stumbling through scenes of victory and defeat, joy and sorrow. It's a tale as old as time itself. The realization dawns too late, when the curtain is about to fall, that the true essence of living lies not in the splendor of victory or the collection of wealth, but in the mastery of the self. Stoicism, with its timeless wisdom, offers a guiding light in the tunnels of life, but it's a beacon too often overlooked until the darkness falls. Men charge into battle, propelled by the winds of ambition and the fires of desire, only to be battered and bruised by the unforgiving forces of fate. It's amidst the rubble of shattered dreams and broken promises that they grasp, perhaps too late, the profound significance of concepts such as acceptance, living in the present, and embracing personal responsibility. These lessons, though whispered by sages of old, often fall upon deaf ears until the twilight years, when the sands of time slip through aged hands like grains of forgotten wisdom. Before it is too late, men must learn these 10 vital lessons in order to overcome life's challenges. 1. Acceptance of uncontrollable chaos. In the chaotic tapestry of existence, imagine yourself as that ancient oak, steadfast amidst the winds of fate. The winds of uncertainty may howl and the storms of adversity may rage, yet your roots run deep, anchored in the soil of acceptance. Like the oak, you understand the ineffectiveness of railing against the steadfast forces of nature. Instead, you find comfort in embracing the unchanging reality that there are realms of existence beyond your control. It's not a surrender to defeat, but a liberation from the shackles of resistance. In this acceptance lies a quiet strength, a serenity that empowers you to weather the storms with grace and resilience. With each gust of wind, you learn to dance rather than struggle, to flow rather than fight. And amidst the chaos, amidst the uncertainty, you discover a profound sense of inner peace. 2. The art of present living. In the grand symphony of existence, the art of present living emerges as a masterstroke, weaving threads of consciousness into the vibrant tapestry of time. Imagine each moment as a priceless gem, glistening with the prospect of limitless possibilities, rather than as a passing whisper. Still, the ghost of an uncertain future and the shadow of the past frequently taint the canvas of the present. Learn to transform the heavy weights of regrets from the past and worries for the future into the golden elixir of the present, just like a master alchemist. Cast aside the chains of nostalgia and worry, and immerse yourself fully in the richness of the present moment. For it is here, amidst the symphony of sensation and the dance of perception, that true liberation awaits. Embrace the pulsating rhythm of life, surrendering to its swings and flows with open arms. 3. Shifting perspectives for peace. See the vast marble block that is your mind, ready to be shaped by the tool of your perceptions. Like a skilled sculptor, you hold the power to carve out a masterpiece of peacefulness from the rough edges of life's challenges. Instead of viewing obstacles as impassable obstacles, envision them as opportunities for growth and self-discovery. As you peel away the layers of doubt and fear, you see the calm face of inner peace that lies beneath. It's a transformative journey where the rough oceans of adversity become the very waters you navigate with grace and resilience. Embrace this shift in perspective, for in it lies the power to transcend the chaos and find comfort amidst the storms of life. 4. Cultivating inner virtues daily. In the hustle and bustle of everyday life, where challenges collide with opportunities, you have the power to shape your destiny like a master alchemist. Imagine yourself as the architect of your own growth, turning everyday routines into golden qualities of bravery, balance, and insight. True greatness isn't about flashy acts, but about the consistent effort of self-improvement woven into each moment. Think of yourself as a craftsman at dawn, armed with determination and ready to shape your day. It starts with the little things, waking up early, facing challenges with resilience, Each morning is a chance to commit to becoming better, to refine yourself like a blacksmith hones their craft. Embrace the journey of self-discovery, knowing that with each small step, you're transforming into something greater. 5. Contentment in experiences over possessions. It is easy to get drawn into the chase of possessions in the busy marketplace of modern life, where the allure of material wealth dazzles like a glittering mirage. Yet amidst the chaos of consumerism, a whisper of wisdom calls, true fulfillment lies not in the accumulation of goods, but in the complex web of experiences woven throughout our journey. Picture the warmth of a campfire under a brightly lit sky, the laughter shared with friends over a humble meal, or the embrace of a loved one amidst life's trials. These moments, fleeting yet infinitely precious, are the true treasures that enrich the fabric of our existence. In the dance of experiences, we discover the currency of a life well lived, where the memories we created become the jewels that decorated the crown of our legacy. 6. Mastering the symphony of emotions. Within the intricate fabric of human existence, emotions emerge as diverse melodies, each with its own unique rhythm and intensity. Picture yourself holding the baton in front of this majestic orchestra as its conductor. All feelings, be they the joyful climax or the sorrowful end, are like different notes in a symphony just waiting to be harmonized. As the conductor of your inner orchestra, your task is to masterfully navigate the complexities of these emotional currents. Much like a skilled conductor interpreting a musical score, you must finesse your approach, guiding the chaotic chaos within towards a balanced equilibrium. Instead of viewing emotions as a source of conflict, embrace them as essential components of your personal masterpiece. In this symphony of emotions, discover not chaos, but the harmonious melody of self-awareness and inner peace. 7. Embracing the winds of change. Change is like the master weaver in the enormous tapestry of life. It weaves its way through time with unstoppable force. However, many people hold on to what they know because they are afraid of the turbulent waters of change that lie ahead. However, they are blind to the wonders that await those who dare to explore the unknown. Embrace change as a gentle wind pushing your ship toward new adventures, not as chaos. Let go of the heavy anchor of staying still and bravely explore life's shifting currents. It's through change that you grow, becoming the bold captain of your destiny in the endless sea of life. 8. Seeking the fountain of wisdom. In the labyrinth of existence, the quest for wisdom is comparable to a journey in search of the legendary potion that gives life. It's a journey that transcends time and space, weaving through the annals of ancient wisdom and the corridors of modern enlightenment. Like brave explorers of the mind, we must delve into the depths of the human experience, drawing nourishment from the source of timeless teachings and modern insights. In the whispers of philosophers long gone, and the echoes of visionaries yet to come, lies nourishment for our souls. 9. Embracing the mantle of personal responsibility. Amid the complex patterns of circumstance and happenstance, there's a thread in the vast tapestry of life that is woven from the fabric of personal responsibility. This thread is frequently overlooked. The cloak of victimhood should be thrown aside because it is only a veil, covering the reality that you hold the reins of destiny tightly. Embrace the revelation that your fate is not dictated by the whims of external forces, but by the choices you make and the actions you take. Picture yourself as the architect of your own narrative, shaping the contours of your destiny with each decision and each step forward. Acknowledging this is a liberating feeling, similar to breaking free from ties created by insecurity and complacency. 10. The liberating power of forgiveness. In the rich tapestry of human experience, forgiveness shines like a bright thread, cutting through even the darkest times with its gentle glow. It's not just about letting go of someone's mistakes. It's like magic that turns hurt into freedom. Imagine forgiveness as a majestic phoenix, rising high from the ashes of old grudges, its wings spread wide, ready to soar into the endless skies of redemption. When we forgive, we set ourselves free from the heavy weight of anger and resentment, showing the incredible strength we hold inside. Forgiveness isn't easy. It takes guts and vulnerability. But it's also a beautiful journey of empathy and growth. By forgiving others, we take back our power, paving a new path towards healing and starting fresh.